Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. This video will be a hair video. Haven't done one in quite some time. We are doing a quick weave with a closure. If you guys will believe it, I've never worn a closure. Never ever. But I want to get back in these hair streets. I am experiencing change and I want more. Like I want to change it up. I want to do something different. All of that. So, yeah, that's what I'm about to do, okay? So, I want me a bob. Number one. I love me a good bob, as most women do. And I picked up this Janet Collection Melt. So it has 3 bundles and a closure inside. I did the 10, 12, and 14 inch. So I'm going to do the 10 on the bottom, 12, 14. That way it can all meet and be even. So there we go. I am not one that like really long hair. I don't have time for it. I just don't. No offense to those who do have it. And not saying I won't never try it. But right now, for my first time, I know that ain't going to do nothing but irritate my soul. So, yeah. I went and got a hot comb for pressing it down and all that stuff. I just went and got everything because I'm like, if I need it and don't have it, then I'm going to be mad. I'd rather have it and not need it. So there we have it. So I got this. I think it was $15.99. I don't remember how much the hair was. It was on sale. They had like a 50% off sale. So I feel like this was like $25, maybe $30. Don't really know. But something like that. I picked up these black ones, but I just discovered I had this one already. So I'm probably going to use this, actually, because it's already open. I couldn't find, I know I bought glue, but I can't find it. Thankfully, I had some. And then I used the protective shield. I bought a little bottle because, baby, I don't need no big old bottle. This one was from the last time I did a quick weave. And I did my mom's while she was here. And I'm like, last little bit down here. So I'm going to finish that off. And I got another one. I already had some hair glue. I got to make sure this works. Because if it doesn't, I won't be doing nothing. I got the little melt, what is it called? A melt elastic band. So I picked this up as well. I got the hair slick stick thingy-majigger. Can you open it? Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells good. I didn't smell it before I left the store. So I got that to help with my part, because I can't stand no wiggy looking part. And then to lay the lace down, I picked this up because I already had this, but I wonder if I could have just used this. So I got this to lay the closure down. I am not sure on how and where you're supposed to lay a closure. I'm assuming where I got this at, because actually my hair is like peeking out right here. And so I would assume that a wig should lay like right here, right? I don't know. That's all I picked up for this. We're gonna figure this out as we go, really. I have been watching videos for a couple weeks now. But let me make sure I show this to you guys good. Here is all of that, just in case you need to screenshot for some details or any of that. And yeah, I'm gonna get into braiding my hair down. If you want to see exactly how I'm getting ready to do like the spray on my hair and the cap and the protective shield, you can check out my other quick weave video. I'll be sure to link it, and then I will be back as I start to lay tracks and get this closure put on, because I know nothing. So stick with me. If you're a beginner and a newbie, this video is for you. Okay, I pulled it out. I've never even touched this before. I feel like such a newbie. It's crazy. Few things that I saw that you want to do is we're gonna angle the sides of this. You see where these thick tabs are? We're gonna angle them off first of all, because they get in the way, boo. So there's that. And then I'm gonna cut off this side because it doesn't help when you're laying, I think it said. Some folks said. So now we cut off those, that way it can be a little bit better when we are ready, in which I think I need to go closer on this side. Yeah, there we go. You also just do what works for you. As you do this, you will of course learn your own thing. So now that is where we are. So I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna say, I thought that looked pink. This contour powder that I have. Gonna use that because I used that on my self. Take it on my brush, and we're going to tap it into and I'm going with the color that's closest to my shade.
I've been thinking, I've been meditating. Got my focus right back, and no one can take it. So I put it in the past, and they're ready to stay it. Yeah, the sticky feeling's so nice, so I put it in the past. I've been thinking, I've been meditating. If what you're saying is true, then I'm through on to better places. I'm not gonna react to shit from the basement. The sticky feeling's so nice, so I put it in the past. And so I put it in the put it where it's supposed to be. So I put it in the past. Put it where it's supposed to be. Hey, oh, ooh. Hey, oh, ooh. So I put it in the put it where it's supposed to be. So I put it in the bag. Put it where it's supposed to be. Time check. Officially my season. Finding me a cupid to squeezing. And yeah, I'll be got reason. And you can bet it for real. Finer. All the fruits we reaping. Overseas we eating. And you're fine good for the keeping. And you can bet it for real. So take your chance. Hold my hand. It's alright. We can go. You could
Okay, y'all, we've finished the install part. All of that is done. It seems like this is laying down. Y'all don't know. Let me take these headphones off. Hair is super duper soft, by the way. And I'm, like I said, I'm definitely going to be cutting it, so it's all good. This is the part I don't miss about doing this. This glue. I don't really miss that. But call me messy. Maybe that's what it is, you know? But,
more mature. If you think it was good the first time, you think it was sweet, wanting more. But I can love you better than before. This ain't by happenstance, ain't no guarantee. Now let's expand it. Now where were we? I'm putting all bets on you. To be honest, are you gonna keep your? I'm putting all bets on you. To be honest, are you gonna keep your promise? 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 Toast to us, just because we made it through. What's dead is done. We lost, we won. Now it's time to grab someone and dance. You've been acting all shy and I'm trying to give you a chance. Show the world that you've been that girl. Throw your hands in, your presence commanding. I'm forever standing in the background yelling. Show the world that you've been that girl. Throw your hands in, your presence commanding. I'm forever standing in the background yelling. Show the world that you've been that girl. Throw your hands in, your presence commanding. I'm forever standing in the background yelling. We made the most of what was handed. Take a shot and take advantage. We keep it cute and keep it candid. Girl, I'll back you up like a bandit. Dance. You've been acting all shy and I'm trying to give you a chance. Show the world that you've been that girl. Throw your hands in, your presence commanding. I'm forever standing in the background yelling. Show the world that you've been that girl. Throw your hands in, your presence commanding. I'm forever standing in the background yelling. Show the world that you've been that girl. Throw your hands in, your presence commanding. I'm forever standing in the background yelling. Thought I could escape you. Thought I could hide the fact that I really want you. But here I am running back. What you wanna wait to? Cause you keep me running back to you. Keep me running back.
Alright, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I like how it came out personally. I think it looks good. It'll do. I'm still seeing this. I gotta figure out how to hide this lace up here, but I feel like overall, it's okay. Overall, it's okay. So I'm gonna take it for now. I'll revamp it as, of course, I keep going and I keep wearing it. It's gonna change, it's gonna grow, it's gonna evolve as I wear it. Like I said, it's likely gonna have some curls and all that good stuff later. But to start with tonight, I like this. It's something different and I'm gonna enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to show somebody how to put this stuff in for your very first time, because this is my very first time doing this ever. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll talk to y'all soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're here. You've been through the whole video. Subscribe, girl. Join my journey. This is a life journey. You'll get some of everything. Whatever includes life, you'll find it here. All right, y'all. I will talk to you later. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.